Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for testing electrical components. Start by disconnecting your Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the base of the machine. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Gently lift the base cover off, exposing the internal components. Take a moment to check for any visible damage or loose connections. When inspecting the wiring, look for any frayed or burnt wires, particularly around the motor and control board. If you find any damage, it may require replacement. Remember, if you're unsure about handling this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be fixed. Once you've inspected the wiring, the next step is to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This can often resolve issues related to error 52, as contaminants can affect the machine's performance. After cleaning, focus on the control board. Check for any signs of corrosion or burnt components. If you have a multimeter, you can test the continuity of the circuit to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need. Now, reassemble the unit by carefully placing the base cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that everything is tight and properly aligned to prevent any future issues. If you encounter any difficulties during reassembly, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free experience. After reassembling, it's time to test the machine. Plug it back into the power source and turn it on. If the error 52 message still appears, it may indicate a deeper issue that requires professional attention. In that case, we can provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. In conclusion, troubleshooting and fixing error 52 on your Thermomix TM31 can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance and cleaning can prevent such errors in the future, keeping your machine running smoothly. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for expert help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.